Hi, in this short video, we will learn how to multiply integers. There are two very important rules to remember in multiplying integers. First, when both integers have the same sign, the product is a positive integer. That would mean positive times positive is equal to positive, and negative times negative is equal to positive. So first thing we do, we multiply the absolute value of each integer. So positive 10 times positive 3 is the same as 10 times 3, and that would be 30. Now to decide on the sign, we use rule number 1. If both factors are positive, the product therefore is also positive. And the same goes with positive 7 times positive 11. The answer is positive 77. Remember that in multiplication, we can also use the parentheses instead of the multiplication sign. Sometimes we can also use the dot in between two factors to indicate multiplication. Now, moving on, let's look at two more examples. Negative 9 times negative 6. If you notice, both factors are negative, so the product is positive 54. Negative 15 times negative 4 is equal to positive 60. Moving on. Now, rule number 2. When the integers to be multiplied have different signs, the product is a negative integer. That would mean negative times positive equals negative, and positive times negative equals a negative integer. Let's try the two examples. Negative 10 times positive 3. So multiply the absolute value of negative 10 and positive 3. That would be 10 times 3. Answer is 30. And we follow this rule. Therefore, the sign is negative. Negative 7 times positive 11 equals negative 77. Moving on, positive times negative equals negative. So positive 9 times negative 6 equals negative 54, and positive 15 times negative 4 equals negative 60. Easy, right? So let's try. I want you to copy these 5 questions in a piece of paper and pause the video while you're solving. When you're ready to check your answers, you may replay the video. Are you ready to check your answers? All right, let's begin. Number 1, positive and negative, so our answer will be negative. Answer is negative 36. Number 2, positive and negative. So your answer is a negative integer. Answer is negative 120. Number 3, both have the same sign, negative times negative. Your answer is going to be a positive integer. That's positive 49. Number 4, 21 times negative 2. Notice that the two integers have different signs, so your product is a negative number. That's negative 42. And lastly, positive 3 times positive 15. Both of the factors have the same sign. Therefore, your answer is positive 45. I hope you guys got that right. Now let's recap. When both integers have the same sign, the product is a positive integer. Positive times positive equals positive, and negative times negative equals positive. And lastly, when the integers to be multiplied have different signs, the product is a negative integer. So positive times negative equals negative, and negative times positive equals negative. Have a nice day.